Welcome to CAMFLAG tutorial. At first, let's have a look to all components. This is a CAMFLAG base unit. Here we have the cables. This is a 12 volt XLR cable. This is a data cable with high-res plugs. These are the safety belts. And here we have the flag. Optional accessories is a 12 volt power supply and the rain shield. Place the base unit on the box lens. The display should face to the right from the camera view. Important: the wide angle lens position the unit slightly backwards, so the flag will not appear in the image. All other Canon and Fujinon lenses can be mounted in the standard position. Tighten the screws gently, just until the rubber grips the housing. Do not over tighten, the brackets could bend. Now secure everything with the safety straps. Click them into the quick release locks. The system is now firmly in place. Now attach the main flag using the 4 captive screws. Rear position for the wide angle lens, front position for all other Canon and Fujinon lenses. Use the XLR cable for the 12 volt power supply. If your large lens adapter has no XLR port, use the included power supply. Then plug in the high-res cable to the virtual port of the optic and to the CAMFLAG. The display is active and the safety lock prevents unintended movement. During teaching, we define the start and end point of the flag. At first, press the menu button, select New Calibration. The display asks to fully open the zoom. Use the arrow buttons to move the flag to the real position. Check in the viewfinder that the flag is not visible. Confirm with Enter. Then move Zoom in. Move the flag to the front position with the arrow buttons. Again, make sure it's not in the image. Confirm with Enter and then Save. Now you can see the current zoom position indicated by the small arrow. The teaching process is now complete. CAMFLAG is ready for use.